Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Sarah, and I am so excited to talk to you today about our topic and to highlight the latest episode on the Essential Oil Revolution podcast. Now, when someone is faced with a chronic disease or when they have a mysterious or notoriously hard to treat diagnosis, they can often end up feeling defeated, misunderstood, and isolated. Can you relate, or do you know someone who possibly could? People with tick-borne illnesses, autoimmunity, and who have had experience with mold exposure often fall into this category. Oftentimes, they are labeled as hard to treat, and many people don't understand why they feel so lousy. They think it's a matter of willpower. Unfortunately, this aspect of being misunderstood, misdiagnosed, and mistreated is a form of medical trauma, and one's nervous system will often react as if it's under a threat. For these individuals, it's hard to find a doctor that is not only compassionate, but competent and effective in alleviating their suffering and helping them to heal. Dr. Thomas Moorcroft is one such physician. He has extensive training in treating mysterious illnesses that has made him a sought after global leader and presenter on the topics of tick-borne infections, mold illness, mast cell activation syndrome, and children with infection-induced autoimmune encephalitis, otherwise known as PANS and PANDAS. In this episode of the Essential Oil Revolution, Dr. Tom and I discuss why he feels it's so important to have a mindset of hope in order to heal, why feeling safe is necessary for a positive shift to occur, and important ways one can nurture their vagus nerve to revitalize their health. Dr. Tom also provides us with some important tips to consider when one has tick-borne infections and other chronic diseases. Importantly, we'll also weave in how essential oils are vagal nerve modulators that support the vagus nerve's influence on our physiology, psychology, and biochemistry. We'll go through everything from Dr. Tom's healing journey from when he recovered himself from Lyme disease and babesiosis, which makes him so passionate and so knowledgeable from a firsthand experience to treat his patients with these disorders, to things such as the three states of the nervous system, the polyvagal theory, how that's applied in Dr. Tom's practice in three different methods to get someone into the state of healing or their ventral vagal state. We'll discuss all different things related to ketamine. We even go into psychedelics and essential oils. Some of my favorite ones for the vagus nerve, as well as an essential oil blend of gratitude that we discuss in its relationship to some of the practices that Dr. Tom does himself based on the polyvagal theory. So you will not want to miss this. We'll even cover some really simple things related to Lyme disease and when not to use essential oils when you get a tick bite. So make sure you tune in and go to your favorite podcast player to look for the Essential Oil Revolution.